Boobity-boop. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of colour, I think. I wanted to do a pop of colour, a pop of orange, because one of my favourite bloggers, Jamie Genevieve, is doing a week of colour. So I thought I'd join in. Today's Tuesday, orange, and I missed out on yesterday's upload, which was red. I was hungover, okay? Deal with it. Today I did orange. It's kind of inspired by the look that she did, which was beautiful, gorgeous, red. This is my wench version, but I think it still slaps. So I've had a lot of fun actually creating this. It's ooh, if you want to feel as if you want to feel as sassy as I do, carry on watching. Oh my god, I think the sun's coming out. I've been tired for like a week. Just do a little fanny parting. Stylish. Okay, I'm gonna start with, first things first, matches my nails, put some Lanolips on my lips. Oh, I just love it. Honestly, first thing I want to influence you all to buy is this because it is gorgeous. Just please buy it. Sponsor me, Lanolips. I'm gonna start by priming my face, and this little beauty is, oh my god, it cost me an arm and a leg, I won't lie. I'm a bit of a cheapskate, bit of a tight arse when it comes to makeup. I like drugstore cheapest chips products. This was like, I think it was like £28, £32, but it was worth every penny. It's the Becca Backlight priming filter, and oh my god, it just smells like expensive National Trust gift shops. I honestly feel so expensive when I wear it, and it just gives a really nice glow to the skin. Oh my god, it smells so good. Look at my skin already. That is worth every penny. Now that we're nice and primed, I'm going to go in with a cheap ass foundation. I'm trying to use this Revolution Conceal and Hydrate up because I don't know if I like it. Some days I do, some days I don't know, it's a bit cakey sometimes, so that's why I don't put too much of it on. So I'm only going to do like a pump and a half on my hand, and I'm going to go in with a foundation brush. I thought I should mention that I'm, as of this week, starting a vlog. I've always been like the mum at events who's like, quick, let me get it on camera. I used to make little videos of all my Snapchats because I love capturing what's going on and what's happening in the moment. And I used to always do like a video after like a holiday, and I had real fun like making it, so I thought, why not? Let's collect up a load of clips and each week just show you all, because I'm sure someone will find it funny or entertaining. I don't know. I just like doing it. I like making vids. Still at it with the dry forehead. I'm not quite sure what to do about that. I wanted to start doing a YouTube channel because I've always liked making videos. I admire, like I used to always laugh at like bloggers and think, oh my god, they're so lame, but a lot of hard work goes into doing this, creating content, and I now admire it, and I can see myself doing this a lot. I enjoy it, and hopefully someone's finding entertainment out of this again. I don't know. I do have my days though where I'm like, oh my god, like I was just editing a video before and I was like, you are such a moron. So yeah, everyone has the self-doubt days. I have mine every hour. Okay, now I'm concealed and hydrated, and I'm going to conceal. I'm going to conceal with my Conceal and Hydrate from Evolution. Classic. It's just so good, and mine is C1. I'm running out of it, so eventually I will move on to another. I just really like to use makeup up. This lockdown I have bought so much makeup, it's obscene. So I'm currently on a makeup ban. I'm not allowing myself to buy anything more till this lockdown is over. And fun fact, I think I'm gonna do a series where I like go through my palettes and choose the colours that I just don't reach for and try and do looks with them, because the beauty industry is just, as far as I'm concerned at the moment, about buy, sell, obviously capitalism, but like I think we should be more sustainable and use our makeup up. Probably not the first person to think that. I'm gonna make a little series, so carry on watching for that one. I really enjoyed the look that Jamie Genevieve did on Instagram last night. She's doing that week of colour thing. The first colour for Monday was red, and I'm honestly going to do what she did, I think, but in orange. Could have had a wig on maybe. I'm not sure if I'm going to put an orange wig on or a black wig, but we'll see. I think it's a really good idea because I have also been like just reaching for neutrals whilst I'm sat at home. Like, it's just an easy option and I don't really feel like experimenting. I experimented more when I was like working and stuff because I felt like it was a bit of a part of my day where I actually had some creativity, you know. Working in a cafe as a barista is not exactly thrilling. So yeah, it's going to be a bit more creative today, I think. Next I'm going to bronze up using my Benefit Hoola Lite. Gorgeous. Love it. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Life's Peach Classic Me, but it's the only orange blusher that I've really got, and I think I'm going to do some eyeshadow around it to make it a bit more orange, but this is just to set it down. Just take my bronzer brush and tap it on my face. Okay, for powder I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Classic Me. It's another absolute golden product in my opinion. I'm just going to set my base down with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Wait for that to set down. Drink my tea, don't forget that. And I'm just going to go in with a bit more powder because I've got a long day of Depopping and, well, doing nothing. For eyes I'm going to just conceal a little bit. And then pat them down with some more powder. Okay, for eyes, orange, obviously, but I'm not quite sure which orange to go for. I have two palettes here, both the same. One's the Morphe 35B, there's no point in me showing you this because they're both the same, but one's Morphe 35B, one's Morphe 35M. The 35B has like more of a orange selection, but I think I prefer the orange in the 35M. It's just a bit more like, I don't know, in depth, but then there's not really that much shades to blend it out with. I'm going to use my classic 35B because I was just saying before how I want to use palettes up and I've had this for quite a while. So, I don't have the sheet names. I'm going to go in with the shade, this one, which I think is called Puffs. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm going to take a flat brush. This is the Zoeva 234 and I'm going to take it all over my lids. Pack it on. I'm going to be doing it in like a circle shape. I wanted to do it in like a foxy eye kind of way, but I feel like I keep doing that. So, I'm putting a cat eye on, so I might take it out just a little bit. Can't help myself. And then we're going to start shading it out. I'm just going to take a clean brush and go around what we've done to start. And then I'm going to take this lighter orange shade here. Not got a clue what it's called. Coral or some kind of shite. I just can't help myself, I'm winging it out. I think because I'm going to be doing like proper like orange cheeks, I just wanted to all blend in together. Forgot how much I love. Okay, I'm going to take a bigger, fluffier brush. This is an old 228, which is kind of getting a bit on its last legs. And I'm going to take this yellow colour here, which is called Sunshine, I think. I'm just going to start buffing that around what we've done. It's like a final blend. Lovely. I'm going to go back in with some more of the brightest orange, Puffs I think it's called, just to deepen it all up because we want this to pop. I'm just going to take the bigger fluffy brush, go around again with the yellow, and then I'll do the under eyes. Oh my god. Sorry, I got distracted whilst blending them because there's a guy who cycles around our local area. I don't know if anyone from Manchester watches this video, but he just has like 2 boom boxes on his bike, or he carries his boom box in a bag, and he blasts out some tunes. Like, he's just gone past playing Kraftwerk. What a legend. Orange. Okay, for under eyes, I'm going to take this kind of pencil-y brush. Got it when I was 16, so God knows what brand. I'm going to take the first shade, Puffs, the really orange one. And then I'm going to take some of the yellow on the little brush that's already got some product on it. This is the Morphe brush, just to blend it out. Okay, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to finish off my blush, and I'm going to take like a small blusher brush and dip into the shade. I'm going to first go in with that, and then we're going to do kind of what we did on our eyes and maybe blow it out with a bit of that. Pat it on. This is fun because I used to kind of do this kind of look all the time. A really coral eyeshadow into a blush. It's very David Bowie. Or like a hot pink, that would also go. Okay, I'm now going to take the yellow on that brush and kind of blow that out. I don't want to add too much yellow because I don't want to look jaundiced, so I don't know. I think we're going to put more under our eyes. I think we want this to be really dramatic, so I'm going to bring the orange a bit further down and then blend it out again with more yellow. Quite happy with that. I think we want to add even more drama, and I think for that we want to add some black eyeliner and like smoke it. I'm going to colour myself up with some of the Barry Bold Waterproof Eyeliner in my waterline. Oh shit. So I've gone out my waterline, but fear not, I'm going to smudge it, I think. Happy accidents. Oh. I look a bit crazy at the moment, but we'll sort it out. I'm going to take this like flat thing and try and smudge it on the bottom lash line. I want to make this really gothy. Got my Morticia Adams top on, so we want this real gothy. I'm going to go off camera, throw on a wing, throw on a lash, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I have thrown a lash and a crass attempt of a wing on. The lashes are the Girls with Attitude Fantasy Lashes. They're cracking and I've used them a few times. I've put mascara on my bottom lashes. That was the L'Oreal Bambi Lash. So I think I'm going to do my brows. Oh, I've also thrown on a little beauty spot because I was going to do freckles, but I don't trust myself, and plus I think if I was going to do them I should have done them when I was doing my base, and I've not done that, so that's over, that's cancelled. For brows, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia pomade. Start by brushing them all up. It's actually gone quite 90s. I don't know if I'm a fan of the wings, but I'm not that good at them as well, so they're quite fat and thick. I hope it all comes together. I'm just going to run some brow gel through them. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. Okay, I haven't actually highlighted yet, I just realised. So I'm going to take my Soph palette and I'm going to take this proper golden shade to highlight a bit. And I'm going to use it as my inner corner highlight. Okay, I'm going to go away and sort out anything that's immediately going wrong, and then I'll be back to do lips. Okay, for lips, I was going to do even more orange and put an orange lip on, but I think because I've gone quite gothy, we're going to do a dark lip. I don't know whether to go dark purpley or dark brown, but I think I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Brooklyn Thorn lip liner. Little moustache. And I might as well go in with the NYX Brooklyn Thorn liquid lip. That is such a unique purple colour. It's lovely. This is quite glossy at the moment, the lipstick, but it will dry quite suede-y, like matte. So I'm going to go away, maybe throw a wig on, do myself up, and maybe throw a gloss on. I'll be back in a second. Here is the finished look. I don't know what to think, to be honest. Like, I do like it. I don't know if the wig suits it, but I wanted a black wig and this is all I've got. So it'll have to do quite, ooh, it's quite gothy. Yeah, I'm quite in love with what we've created here. I've got the orange sultry smoky eyes, which I didn't intend to do, but here we are. I was going to do an orange lip, but I thought this would break it down a bit more to have like a dark purple glossy lip. I think I got quite like 90s Betty Boop. I don't know, I kind of look like that bird from Pale Waves, who I loathe and despise. Sorry. I don't know. I'm feeling it. Obviously got a wig on because I hate my hair at the moment. Lockdown haircuts. Not a fan. Not a fan. I don't trust myself to cut my hair, cut my mullet. No, it's a no from me. Mine will be staying grown out till the end of dawn. I'm going to end this video now and go away, do some Depopping, and I'll be back to create more, I think, this week. Thank you for watching my video and I hope to see you again soon. Bye. Oh, bloody hell. I'm trying to not forget that I've got a cup of tea because I bloody hate cold cup of tea. I've got concealer on my leggings. Asthmatic. More of a... I can't think of the words. Look, the... golden product. Alrighty. Orange! It's fine. I'm just gonna run some brow gel. Dark, little bit. I got lipstick on my teeth? Probably. It's all up to me.